Mr. Prem, you are from Nepal and got different type of incurable diseases like color blindness. Mainly you have problem of retinitis pigmentosa, then macular degeneration and amblyopia. So what can you say now for these problems? For color blindness, can this be treated and can it be cured?
It's a problem that can't be.
यानी कि रंग अंधता, जिसमें व्यक्ति को दिखाई तो देता है परंतु रंग पहचानने की क्षमता नहीं होती.
Well, my experience here in 15 days, I could say yes, and I'm now fully confident that what I was before and what I am now is fully different.
Have you seen any patient of color blindness? Those are getting cured from here.
Yes. I almost every day I see new patient here, and almost every day I see old patient who are getting treatment since a year. So I met a lot of peoples, and you know what I used to think before is only the patient was me for these all type of things. But when I came here, I saw a lot of people, so I was also quite. I found some friends, at least of my type.
Disease is having many people are suffering like you can say, and they are getting cured.
They are almost getting the person who came here since a year is almost cured, but still he's coming for himself.
Most of the people they have got cure from color blindness. Okay. Then about retinitis pigmentosa, your vision was too much constricted,
Right.
and you generally you strike here and there, and unable to drive the bikes and this and that.
Right.
Then you are unable to cross the road even who is coming and who is going nearby you.
Exactly.
You are afraid of that.
Right.
In this position, what do you see now after 15 days? What changes you make?
For the very first couple of days when I came here, it was hard for me to come from hotel to here too, because in the evening, like maybe I strike with some ladies, and like this is a new place for me. Somebody he beats me. I was like afraid. Now I can walk myself alone and things. I can do my own.
Congratulations to you that your life is now settling nicely, and you can do your work without the help of any person.
Yeah, exactly.
With whom you came to India?
With my uncle.
Your uncle was here
Uncle.
with you for
He's still
your
here.
help.
Yeah, he's still here. Now we are going back to Nepal, and what I want to say to the people in the world is, if you have a problem like RP, retinitis pigmentosa, and color blindness, macular degeneration, amblyopia.
So what would you like to say to the world?
The world is very beautiful, and the world people who are getting all this type of sufferings has to be here at Ujjain with meeting with Dr. Rishabh Jain and curing the disease. Now I can see the beautiful world. My situation was really worst. I had to include myself, and my mom used to call me like, oh, she's my mom calling. Now I can see my mom. I feel it. So if you want to feel it, you have to come here with Dr. Rishabh Jain. If you have this type of problems, and when all the doctor says that it's incurable, please at least you come here once and get experience. There is no big money that you have to spend here. It's a very small amount. From the very smallest amount, you can see this beautiful world with everything's blossom and sunshine. Thank you very much, doctor. It was my very good thing to be here. You treated me very well. You gave a lot of efforts on my treatment, and I never used to think that people from India are so helpful, but you made me organize all the hotels and things. With low budget I could stay here for 15 days. So thank you so much for everything, and please, if you are suffering, come here, you'll see the world. Thank you.
Congratulations to Premji.
Thank you, doctor.
You have got a lot of improvement, and it will be maintained and improved further with the course. I'll
be back in 60 days.
When you come here, I will pray to God you will get 100% vision
I will.
by my
Definitely, I'll be there for
Okay.
after 60 days. Thank you.
ये दिल मध्य प्रदेश के मध्य में बसा ये उज्जैन नगर है। उज्जैन के मध्य में गोपाल मंदिर छतरी चौक के पास हॉस्पिटल है। उज्जैन नेत्र चिकित्सालय।